I've got another unboxing for you today. As you well know, that I did the unboxing for the MAHABIS slippers, which I've had for 2 years now. Still going strong, still wear them every day, absolutely love them. So it's more of the same, I'm afraid. I've unwrapped it outside, taken the postman's layer off. It's like Christmas. Don't need that. So here they are then. These are actually the Luxe ones. I thought I'd go for the Luxe as I wear them every single day. I even take them on holiday. Just like last time, we've got a poem. And if you want to care about them, you can read the care instructions or the other stuff. So here we go. Quite excited actually for this. Splashing out on slippers again. Oh, isn't there a thing about new shoes on tables? I'm not meant to do it. Ooh, now, it said on the website, did I want a bag? And they've come in a bag. Whether this is just a Luxe thing, I don't know. There you go. MAHABIS logo and... Ooh, nice new smell. Here they are. Ooh. They're tiny, little bit glossy, actually. Oh, they are nice. Sleek. As ever. Oh, that feels more rigid. Maybe it's just because mine have been worn. Yeah, so the upper on these is leather. But then the rest is the same, I presume. So like same sole, same lining. Wow, yeah, they are nice. Of course, you do know what this back is. You can wear them, this back looks higher actually. So you can wear them quickly just by smashing that back bit down. And then when you feel like you're going to settle in for the long haul, which is how I've been doing it for ages, and you just pop that around your heel and then you're in. And it's so good having the hard sole as well. I've been like little short trips outside, or it's just really useful. And you can get referral codes, so if you want to purchase some, I will leave my referral in the description. You can click it, you don't have to. Well, thanks for watching. If you want to know any questions about these, stick them in the comments, I will reply. So I have the Luxe and also the originals.